Today this is our fifth lecture, and today we will be covering the one more partition value, that is quartile. First quartile tells out 25% data. Once again, let me remind you what 25% data depicts. What it says, 25% data means that suppose there are 40 students, and the first quartile comes to be say 15. So what will happen? What it means? That out of 40 students, 25% means 25 by 100 multiplied by 40 stands to be 10. So there are 10 students whose marks are more than the first quartile, and remaining less than. Okay, 100% are less than the quartile. Let's find it out. We have got the same data which we did previously, roll number and marks. So first we will do it with the inbuilt function equals quartile, quartile, and you will observe that there is left an array. What is array? Array means the data which we are having. Here the data is our marks from 12 to 30. We are selecting it, and then comma quartile. Then there is a word written QUART. What it means? That it is asking us what we are required to find. First quartile, second, third, fourth. What we are required to find? We need to find the first quartile, 1, and then enter. So 13.5 is our first quartile answer. What it means? Let's see what it means. Just like I hope you have understood our previous video that was about median. So what it means, once again, we have pasted the entire data, and now I have selected from marks to 30, and now we will go to move to data, and from data we will looking for sort. In sort, continue with the current selection, sort, and this table will emerge, and smallest to largest. Okay, and here, so what is here? Here means what I want to convey, that we were having 20 students, and first quartile means 25%. So what is 25% of 20? 25% of 20 means 1/4 of 20, that is 5. So here roll number 5, let me enlarge it, and you will find what you will be finding. You will find that there are 25% of students have got marks less than 13.5, and the remaining more than the required. So there are 5 students who have got marks less than the required, that is 13.5. This is our first quartile, and the remaining, that is a 70%, lies below. 70% lies above 13.5. Okay, this is the beautification of quartile, and obviously Excel will help you to understand these basic concepts of statistics by experimenting. So what I trust always is learning by experimenting. So you should experiment a lot.